Winter is here, and with it comes the season of sniffles, coughs, and the dreaded flu, and yes, even COVID too. To help us sort out fact from fiction and give us practical tips on keeping our families healthy this season is Latasha Shaw from Omni Family Health. Hello, Latasha.
Hello, how are you?
It's great to have you back today.
Thank you for having me back. Thank you.
This is like the worst season. I don't know about your kids, but mine are bringing home every single thing that I think is out there.
These little crumb snatchers, yes. Yes. Kids in school, they come home sick all the time.
I'm like, do you lick the walls? What's happening?
It's hard. It's hard to keep them healthy in the wintertime.
Yeah, I mean, they're bringing home the cold, and they're bringing home the flu, and they're bringing home COVID. They're bringing home every virus imaginable.
Absolutely.
So what's the best way to protect ourselves and our families?
You know, I would say get vaccinated, you know, and stay up on your vaccinations for yourself and your family. Definitely eat nutritious meals. You know, definitely rest.
Yeah.
You know what? You need to rest. We have to rest. We need to exercise as well. We need to stay hydrated. And I think a combination of all those things will really help us for the wintertime.
Isn't it wild that those are the things we kind of find hard to do and they're basic things?
Yes. Listen, it's hard. You know, life is hard, but you know, it's one step at a time.
We got to fit it all in somehow.
We do. We do in a 24-hour period.
So let's talk about how we can tell the difference between, you know, like a viral or a bacterial infection, something that may need antibiotics and that doesn't.
Okay, so that's a tricky one. But for viral infections, they usually come on gradual. It has a gradual onset of symptoms.
Oh.
So, you know, maybe just a bit of runny nose.
Yeah.
Maybe somebody aches. For bacterial infections, it's like a sudden onset. They hit you hard. You know, with that high fever, you'll probably have a localized pain and pus to that area, and that's how you know you kind of differentiate between the two.
How do I know when to take it from, you know, self-medicating at home and trying to get rest and fluids versus I need to go see a doctor? You
know, when you're just not getting better, you know, when your symptoms is not subsiding, I would seek medical care.
And I think we talk about this all the time, but there tends to be an over-prescription of antibiotics for viral infections. Let's talk about why antibiotics are not always the answer.
You know, as we're sick in, you know, life and we just want that magic pill to, you know, make us get better, it's hard. You know, our providers, it's scientific, you know, behind it, and the reason why they prescribe antibiotics versus they don't, you know, they want to come back against you know, antibiotic resistance, you know, so they want to ensure that when they do give you antibiotics that you need it and it'll actually work.
So if my doctor is a little hesitant, that's a good sign.
Yes, it is. Yes, absolutely. They want to make sure that you actually need it. Yes.
Yeah, we don't want to take them when we don't need them.
No.
So for families, what routines or habits should we do throughout the winter season to keep us all in this together and not bringing home the illness?
Yes, I cannot say this enough. Wash and wash your hands.
Do the birthday song. We're still doing it.
Wash your hands. You know, use hand sanitizers in between. Disinfect high surface areas, doorknobs, countertops, laptops, keyboards. That will really help. Yes.
Home and office.
Home and office, absolutely.
Just wipe
home,
it all
office,
down.
and school.
I asked my husband the other day, our kids were all sick and they were in, you know, my car, of course, I have the family car.
Yes.
And I'm like, do they sell like a Lysol bomb, like a bug bomb? I'm like, maybe there's a thing there.
I love that. Keep that spray in there and spray them down before they get in the car.
I'm like, everybody come home, you change your clothes from school, you put them in the wash and go wash your hands and your face.
Absolutely. First thing. And keep your hands off your face. You know what I mean? As much as possible. But with our little kids, it's hard for them.
Oh yeah, I'm constantly having to water. I'm like, no, hands down, hands down. Don't do that.
Yes.
So
get your hand out your mouth.
If someone needs to get up to date on maybe, you know, their flu shot or maybe they're just not feeling right and they need to contact a doctor, how do we get a hold of you at Omni?
1-866-707-6664.
You had that right off the top of your head. I'm impressed. That number is also a text line too. If you want to text for an appointment, and the website and email contact is up there as well. Thank you so much, Latasha.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hopefully your health stays healthy this winter.
Fingers crossed. Amen. Yes.
We'll be back with more Studio 17.